Imagine yourself the situation that you bought a new car. A powerful car, with a V8 for about 400 horsepower. You enjoy the speed, power and the car itself. And then he appears. An electric car. So why are electric cars so fast compared to the regular cars? Why do they have such a short acceleration time to 100 km per hour? What gives electric cars such an advantage? Let's figure it out. Well, to find out, let's go to our favorite highway. While we're at it, let's tackle a few more questions about electric cars. First question about electric cars is their batteries. What types of batteries are used in electric cars? How is the volume of battery measured and how will the size of battery affect the power of the car? So first type is lithium-ion. They are the most common type of batteries for electric cars due to their high energy density, long cycle life and lightweight. The second type is lithium polymer. Similar to lithium-ion, but they can be more flexible in shape, allowing them to be used in more non-standard sizes. What about the battery capacity units? Battery capacity is measured in the amount of energy the battery can store. Units of energy quantity such as kilowatt-hours or megawatt-hours are commonly used. And what about the effect of battery size on a car power? So first of all is of course driving range. Generally, the larger the battery capacity, the greater the driving range. The second is faster charging. Larger batteries can take more power when charging, allowing the car to charge faster. And the third, more motor power. A larger battery can provide more power to the electric motor, which can affect on the vehicle's overall power and speed. And one more question. Why are electric cars look so fat? This is all because to the battery. It must be placed somewhere, it must be cooled, it must be placed so as not to disturb the center of mass of the car. Also, aerodynamics is very important for electric cars, so the shape of the so-called slope is quite appropriate here. Now let's get straight to the topic of the video. What gives electric cars such an advantage over cars with internal combustion engines? Why do almost all electric cars have such a fast acceleration to 100 km per hour? To find out, we first need to look at the structure of a car with an internal combustion engine. Give me a little time, I will show you something. Okay, here we go. So let's take a quick look at the structure of a car with an internal combustion engine. First, of course, is engine. Second is transmission. It is responsible for regulating the torque and speed of the wheels. In vehicles with a gearbox, this is done by changing gears to optimize power output. The third is drive shaft. Transmits power from the gearbox to the axle. The fourth is differential. Allows the wheels to rotate at different speeds, which is useful when cornering. The fifth is axle. Transmits torque from the axle to the wheel. And the final stage is wheel. Converts the torque into movement of the vehicle. All cars are almost similar in this way, both electric and the cars with internal combustion engine. But what makes them different is the engine, and this is where the clear advantage of an electric car comes in. It does not need time to supply fuel, mix it with oxygen, spin up the cylinders, and so on. An electric motor generates instant torque. It appears literally instantly. Then, it's transmitted very quickly to the wheels because it does not need to transfer energy from the cylinder shafts through various transformations to the wheels. Simply speaking, electric cars are much simpler in terms of mechanics. They don't have as many physical connections that can lose power through friction. So this is actually what makes electric vehicles accelerate so quickly. Torque is generated instantly, the wheels spin up quickly and the car accelerates faster. But what is interesting that is at high speeds, Sports cars with an internal combustion engine have an advantage because they have a higher maximum revolution rate, and when the electric car has already reached its ceiling, the car with an internal combustion engine continues to gain speed. This example is well illustrated by a drag race between a Tesla Model S Plaid and the Bugatti Chiron. Look, at first the Tesla just shoots forward, but then it reaches its ceiling and the Bugatti, which has already gained revs, overtakes it. That's what I'm talking about. The main advantage of an electric cars is that they can gain torque instantly, but they cannot constantly increase it to the level that sports cars with an internal combustion engine can. However, when racing from traffic lights, it will not be easy to overtake an electric car. And if you meet an electric car on the highway when it's already driving at high speed, your chances will be much higher. But let's not race on public roads, okay? There are tracks and driving fields for this. Take care of your safety and the safety of others. Well, that's basically all. I thank you very much for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, and you can subscribe to the channel because I have a lot more interesting videos for you. Thank you for watching, see you soon.